Hello, I'm Kevin from CryptoMY. Welcome back to my channel again. I just came back from Singapore. The Token 2049 event, one of the big crypto events around the world, and also the F1 Singapore 2023. Surprisingly, OKX is one of the sponsors, McLaren, the orange color one. It's awesome, right? So let's talk about OKX, one of the good event which I want to share to you guys, and let's stay tuned for that. If you don't have an OKX account yet, I'll put down my link below so you guys can click on it and register an account in OKX. But the funny thing is, for Malaysians, you have to use funny way to do the KYC. Because in Malaysia, you cannot do KYC right now in OKX, but there are a few loopholes that you can play around. But for other worlds, other country itself, yeah, feel free to do KYC and feel free to use my referral link below. Okay, so start off with this campaign called Trade Like a Pro, which is this one, where you can stand a chance to compete to get $2 million in USDT and also a Tesla Model 3. So it's very simple. I just want to guide you through all these things, how you want to apply this, where it actually started quite long ago, because I haven't had a chance to spend time on talking about this or going through this with you guys, because my whole week was in Token 2049 and also the F1 Singapore event, right? So the registration period was started in September 1 to 20th, where you can actually join as a team leader. So you can create your own team, have your own friends and family or members join under you to participate in the event. So everybody trade. The more you trade, the higher your revenue is, the chances you will get, or you want to be the first winner. All right. So right now, joining as team leader is already closed, but it's okay. You can actually join assisting team. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through with you this, okay? But you can see that there is a ultimate prize pool, $2 million here, and these are the participants level right now, all the way unlocking all the way to $100,000 already. So you can see here, find a pro trader team to join. Basically, it's the same. When you click here, you will go all the way down here and just find which team that suits you the best. Just join them. So a quick one, you can see which team are the strongest team right now. Maybe I will just join Wave 125i if it's available. Let's try and see if this kind of makes sense. So always join the big one, right? Yeah, so you can see I'm just gonna click join now, and I'm just gonna click confirm, and you will see you will receive an update to join this team and receive message via the OKX app. So you're gonna wait and see gonna make sense or not. And while you're joining, you were not able to click on any other button. All right. So what you're gonna do here is you're gonna test your skill against other traders worldwide, where you were able to receive a $10 USDT voucher to trade in futures trading. So you can also join the pros for bigger chance to win the game by unlocking the $2 million that I mentioned earlier of the top 20 teams and the top 15 individual traders. Of course, you can also invite your friends to win the potential of Tesla Model 3, iPhone 15 Pro, which is the new iPhone 15 that just launched, AirPod Pro and Apple Watch, and so on and so forth. Trade Like a Pro, and yeah, so these are the details where you're gonna trade. Include all USDT perpetual trading pairs, so you can able to trade anything in the perpetual swap. And eligible trading volume is calculated based on trading volume generated strictly from eligible users' own fund. not the contract voucher that you get $10, not the rebate card. Okay. In rewards, the unlock price pool, join like a pro. Okay, this additional rewards. Okay, so basically this is the calculation on how they calculate based on P&L and absolute profit amount for their respective categories. So these are the calculations, and of course the terms and conditions apply. All right, so if you want to know more about this, if you are interested, if you are a pro trader, perpetual swap trader just like me, remember I'll put down the link below so you guys can actually click on it and to know more about these details. Okay, so click it, register an account, use my referral link, and let's get the $2 million and also chance to win the Tesla Model 3. Alright, so if you like my episode today, remember to click like, share, and subscribe. Gonna see you guys soon, and goodbye.